Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Adelynrae dress for my wife that she got it from Amazon. So I figured I'd give you guys unboxing real quick. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So this is about more than $100 for this dress. She says it's supposed to be name brand fashion dress or something. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this started. So we got this air bubble wrap that didn't even cover it or protect anything. So let's see. Size large. This is the burgundy. That is the style number if you guys are interested, and then the barcode. So this is the brand right here, Adelynrae. That's what she said, but there's Adelynrae. There's a warning to avoid danger, suffocation, keep away from babies and children. Do not use in cribs, bed, carriages, or playpen. This bag is not a toy. And it's of all the different languages. Got a Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Korean. I guess Germany, French, whatever. It's got a tissue paper here, silicone gel. So you got a little bit opening right here by the breast area, on the chest, and you can tie the in a knot with this rope. It is crisscross on the front or the bottom. And on the back, there is a zipper right here, and then a hook to dress and undress. What? And then there's another hook on the midsection right here. And this is the label. Made in China, and there's a pin right here instead of the zip tie. So it's pretty. It has a short sleeve or half of the arm. And there's an inner label right here. 100% polyester. Hand wash cold, do not bleach. Low iron if needed. Hang to dry. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, or girls, and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and be sure to turn on that bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace. If you guys like to request for wear on, please drop a comment below. Later.